everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it's a September Glossybox Beauty monthly subscription box. This is my paid for subscription, but I've just received 2 PR boxes from Glossybox as well. I haven't opened them up yet, but I'm assuming they're both the same. So I've got 3 of these boxes this month. So look out for a giveaway, which I usually do on my Instagram page. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, then you will find links down below. But yeah, back to this box then. So the monthly subscription costs £13.50 a box, and that includes shipping. Inside you get 5 beauty treats ranging from everything beauty related, and sometimes we get the odd freebie, and sometimes we get a limited edition outer box as well. I have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to get your first box for £8.50. I'll pop the links to the subscription and my code down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. But yeah, so you can either opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel then any month, or you can opt for a 6 or 12 month subscription, which brings the cost down. By subscribing, you automatically have early access to limited editions like their advent calendar and their limited edition beauty boxes. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything else, then please ask away. So let's get on to showing you what's inside this September box. So there's a little QR code there which I'll scan. It just gives me extra information about the products. Ooh, hold on, what have we got here? We've got a freebie. This is an electrolyte hydration multiplier liquid IV. So it's a little added extra. And yeah, just give you a little look there. Actually, I will open up one of the PR boxes at the end of the video and I'll compare it to see if it's the same. Just in case we have variations. Alright, so let's get onto QR code in this then. And they might tell us what our sneak peek might be for next month. They don't always, but you never know. So in every box we'll receive an Elemis product, but it is one of 2 Elemis products. And yeah, those are the only variations, so that's good. There's no spoiler for next month's box, which is the October box, but it will be a special edition design. So let's start with the Elemis. So in my box, I've got the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. It's a skin refining cleanser and there's 30ml. Ooh, I'm getting caught there. And there's 30ml. This is really lovely. Use on damp skin and it just cleanse away, but it is really, really nice. I'll open it up and show you. So this is worth £8.50. And if you didn't have this, the other Elemis product is the Pro Marine Collagen Cream. Same size, worth £37. There's a big jump in value, isn't there? But they're both Elemis products and they're both really nice products. But yeah, this is worth £8.50 and the other one's £37. What is it? £37. It removes dead skin cells and supports natural renewal. Antioxidants cleanse away environmental damage, while moringa, babassu oil and white truffle nourish and protect the skin's moisture barrier. It's got a cleanser there. Then we've got a Youth Lab. This is a sheet mask. This is a brightening boom mask. Silky microfiber sheet mask brightens and revitalizes whilst minimizing spots, blemish, scars and discolorations. This sounds really, really great. That's what I like to do. I've got lots of blemish, scars and, well, not so much spots. I'm on medication for spots, but I do have a few on my chin and discolorations. This mask retails for £5.89. A sheet mask powered by complex of 12 vitamins and tranexamic acid, working like a bomb of refreshment and rejuvenation for the skin. So we'll all receive that. Then we got a setting spray by St. Lux. I'll just get a wrapper off. There's 75ml there. Our lightweight microfine setting mist helps your skin to retain moisture and set your makeup with a glowy finish. Not only is our setting spray formulated to help you achieve flawless makeup, it can be used on clean skin, formulated with active ingredients like purslane and hyaluronic acid, which help accelerate the healing of damaged skin and instantly hydrates, leaving a dewy finish. Okay, let's see how. Oh, it's a nice mist. Yeah, really, really nice mist. Oh, it just feels so nice. No smell. My eyelashes feel like they're coming off now. Whew. But no, it's fine. Okay, so what is the information about this then? So this is full size and it retails for £19.83. And it just goes on to telling me exactly what I've just read off the back there. So we've got a setting mist. Next up, we have got a Velvet Matte Lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick by MUA, Makeup Academy. And it does say that shades do vary. I don't know what shade I've got here. It's called Dream Girl number 5. I do love a velvety matte, like a mousse type liquid lipstick. This is full size and it retails for £3.50. No, it's not like a mousse. It's not like a moussey formula. That is a pretty colour. Not one I often wear, but it is still pretty. The sort of shade I would wear with my hair pulled right up off my face and maybe a bit of black winged eyeliner and then that bold sort of pinky shade. Yeah, I wonder what the other colours are. It doesn't show on the website. It says, for that long-lasting pout, go back to matte with a new and improved version of our fan favourite Velvet Matte liquid lipstick, available in our core 13 lip shades. The new formula sits lightly on lips to offer an incredible look without them drying out. So yes, we get a liquid lipstick. And then lastly, we have got here, this is from Mud Masky. We haven't seen this brand in beauty boxes for a while. We did go through a phase of seeing it regularly. And this is a dandruff control, scalp soothing, repairs hair, volumizing, anti-hair loss. Oh, it's a scalp serum. Oh no, not again. This happened before. Oh, hold on, I'll be back. It's just come back on. This happened earlier on. The weather is awful here in Wales at the moment. It's really dark, been raining all day, and yeah, clearly the electricity is struggling. We haven't got thunder or lightning or anything though, but anyway. So yeah, Mud Masky, this is a vitamin infused scalp serum and it's 20 mils there. This is deluxe size. It says the retail value is £19, but I'm guessing not for this little size, possibly for the full size then. It's tailored for all hair and skin types, normal, dry and oily. It says rejuvenate your scalp's pH balance in 30 days, halting hair loss by up to 72% in just 12 days. That's amazing. That is really good. Crafted with botanicals and nurturing cold press oils, enriched with essential vitamins like B, D and E, the serum sustains scalp moisture, preserving hair elasticity and natural growth. Ideal for repairing chemically damaged hair, including relaxer processed strands, bleach, heat damaged. And then yeah, tailored for all skin types. If any of you have tried this, please let me know what you think. And yeah, if you notice a big difference, what does they say, after 12 days? So those are all the products inside this month's Glossybox. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we started off with an Elemis product, and this is a cleanser. So you'll either receive this or the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And then we got a St. Lux setting spray. This is full size. Then we got a Youth Lab brightening sheet mask. Then we've got a Velvet Matte MUA liquid lipstick in shade Dream Girl. And lastly, we've got a Scalp Serum by Mud Masky. Some nice little products in there for the month. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Love the Elemis cleanser. Face mask looks nice as well. I love the fine mist of the setting spray. And yeah, the colour of the lipstick, now that it's dyed down, look. Not my favourite type of shade, but I will give it a go. I will try it out and see what it's like. But overall, it's quite a nice box this month. Opening the PR box, or one of them. They've obviously made a mistake. They don't normally send me two, but yeah, it's exactly the same. Yeah, exactly the same products, and the Elemis, the cleanser, and even the shade of lipstick I think is the same. No, this is Mystic. Let's show you what Mystic looks like. Oh, I like that one. That one's pinky, like a pinky red, the one on top. So yeah, I prefer that one. So the only difference in the PR box was the shade of lipstick. I would love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of it? Have you received your Glossybox yet if you are a subscriber? Or are you watching this wondering, I don't know whether to subscribe. All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.